Make this.
My daughter drew this amazing blue dumpling, and of course I had to bring it to life. But can she guess the secret ingredient? Let's find out in today's mystery episode.
So my daughter came to me one day and she was so excited. She was like, hey dad, I saw something, it was trending online. They're these squishy dumplings. And I'm like, what are you talking about? What are squishy dumplings? She's like, oh, you could buy this for me. I can open it on camera. I can draw it. You can cook it. And I'm thinking to myself, this girl is just trying to trick me into buying her a squishy because she loves squishies. Every time she goes to a store, she's like, Daddy, can you buy me a squishy? Can you buy me a squishy? She's absolutely squishy obsessed. But then I researched it and I thought about it and I was like, this is actually a very good idea that she came up with. So she's sitting right here next to me and she's going to explain to me again to make sure that I understand. Please tell me, what is this squishy dumpling that you're so crazy about?
They're squishies, and the best parts about the squishies is I like to see which one I got.
So they come in all different colors. Some of them are red, blue. Some of them are gray with glitter. And it reminded me of collecting Pokemon cards when I was younger, because you will buy these different packs of cards and you hope you will get that rare Charizard in the pack. I would say that collecting these dumpling squishies are more affordable than collecting Pokemon cards nowadays. So we started our search for the squishy dumplings. We first went to Five Below.
No, Five Below is a scam. If you get 10 dumplings, they'll all be the same exact color.
Okay, it's like getting that dreaded holographic beat off. What about Dollar Tree? You want to try Dollar Tree?
I'm worried if we go to Dollar Tree, the squishies will pop like how I did.
Wow. Okay, so where can we get it at?
Online.
Okay, let's check online. So we looked online and I found a squishy dumpling. We ended up ordering a few, and while they were being delivered, my daughter drew this beautiful picture of a blue dumpling that, I had to bring to life in the kitchen, of course. But what she didn't know is that I made 4 different kinds of dumplings. They were 4 different colors and they had 4 different ingredients, and I was gonna make her guess them all. All in all, I would say this was a very fun experience, even though creating the blue dumpling was kind of frustrating. It was a little bit sticky, so I had to use more flour, and when I cooked it, it didn't hold its form or shape. And on top of that, if you cook it too high, it starts to lose the blue color, so you have to cook the blue one low and slow. Anyway, let's see how she did. The blue one.
Blue is my favorite color. Good.
What does this taste like?
Tastes like burger, the meat, and cheese.
Yeah, cheeseburger.
And onions?
Open it. Alright, so you drew a blue one, so you gotta see if you open the blue one. Open it.
Let's see, which one am I gonna get? So we're gonna have to do the past. Come on. 2, 3, 2.
What is that one?
It's gray. Ooh. This is the rare one.
This is the rare one?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. That's so rare.
This is rare?
I don't know. That's my second. I don't much know about dumplings. That's the second dumpling I have.
Okay.